So in this Yahoo Finance tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to view the largest market cap stocks here on Yahoo Finance. So once you have the Yahoo Finance app open up on your device, what I want you to do is to go to the bottom and press on the Discover icon or the magnifying glass. Once you're here, make sure that in the top left the equity tab is selected. Also, too, right below it, there's the U.S. market, the European market, and Asian market if you're looking to change the stock markets you're looking at here. But for this demonstration, we're going to go ahead and just stay on the U.S. market. Once you're here, simply just scroll down to the bottom until you come across an option that says market value. Largest market cap, uncover the equities with the largest market cap. So go ahead and just press on that. And once you're here, you can actually just view the stocks here with the largest market cap. So we have Microsoft, Apple, Google, Amazon, Nvidia, Meta, etc. You can also go to the top here and change the region by pressing on region. You can go to Canada, for example. So if we wanted to view the Canadian stocks, we'll press on apply just like that. Now we're adding some Canadian stocks to the mix. We can go ahead to the market cap right here, press on that. And if we want to go with all the largest market caps, we can just press on large, mega. If you want to add mid to the mix, whatever the case may be, you can play around with it. But it's a fairly straightforward process. That is how to view the largest market cap stocks here on Yahoo Finance. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.